Hi there, I am Vakar Kani and welcome to my channel English Heart Learning. Today we are going to discuss direct and indirect speech, and this is our sixth video. In this video we will discuss optative sentences. We will see how these optative sentences will change into indirect speech. Uh, First we are going to see what are optative sentences. Those sentences which show hope, prayer or wish are called optative sentences. These sentences end with a mark of exclamation. ऐसे sentences जिसमें कोई उम्मीद, दुआ या ख्वाहिश को जाहिर किया जाता है, we call it optative sentences, and in Urdu we call it दवाइया जुमले. और इन जुमले का आखिर में हम मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेड मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, सो दिस इज अ प्रेयर. आई सेड मे यू विन द फर्स्ट प्राइज, सो दिस इज अ wish. Now we are going to see the rules. The first rule is the word said. The word said will change into prayed for, wished for or cursed for. Inverted commas will be replaced by that. The word like would, that will be eliminated, and the word may will change into might. तो रूल्स ये कहते हैं कि हमारे पास जो वर्ड सेड होगा हम इसको प्रेड फॉर, विश्ड फॉर या कस्ट फॉर में तब्दील कर देंगे. और कस्ट फॉर का मतलब होता है किसी के लिए बद्दुआ करना. इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स को हम दैट के साथ रिप्लेस करेंगे. और अगर हमारे पास ऐसा वर्ड जैसा वुड दैट मीन्स किसी विश के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है आएगा, तो हम ऐसे वर्ड को दोबारा यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. द वर्ड लाइक मे will change into might. Now we are going to see the first example. Now he said, may you live happy always. Now this is a prayed, so the word said will change into prayed. Now inverted commas will be replaced by that. Now we have the second person pronoun. And the second person pronoun will be replaced by object of reporting speed, but there is no object, so then we will assume that the object is me. We have to suppose this one, so then it will change into I. The word may will change into might, and now the sentence will be he prayed that I might live happy always. The next sentence is he said to me, may you succeed. So he prayed for me. The said will change into prayed for. Then inverted commas will be replaced by me. You will change according to the object of reporting speech, and may will change into might. So the sentence will be he prayed for me that I might succeed. The next sentence is he said to me, may you go to the hell. This is kind of a curse, so that's why said will replace by the word cursed. Then inverted commas will be replaced by the word that. You will change according to the object of reporting speech, and the may will change into might. So the sentence will be he cursed for me that I might go to the hell. Now we have some sentences of wish. So the first sentence we have, that is he said to her, may your son get scholarship. So because this is a wish, so that's why the said will change into wished. Next, the word inverted commas will be replaced by that. Then this is your, so it will change according to the object of reporting speech, and it will change into her son. Your son will change into her son, and may will change into might. So the sentence will be she wished for her that her son might get scholarship. The next sentence is he said, good morning mom. So now this is also a wish, so it will change into he wished his mom good morning. So this is quite different sentence we have. Okay, the next one, he said, would that my son were a doctor. So this is the word would that. It is kind of a wish. So these two words are used for wish. So that's why the said will replace by the word wished. Inverted commas will change by that, and this is the my son. So will change into her son because this is first person pronoun will change according to the subject of reporting speech. So her son were a doctor. So the sentence is she wished that her son were a doctor. That's the end of our lecture. Thank you so much for watching.